Welcome to Utopia. As you can see here, this is our bulletin board. Here we put all of the news of today or of the week. And just behind me is our hardware store. Here you can find equipment or any gear that you may need. You may buy any selected item, and then here's the register where you can pay for it. Here is our city hall. Here is where, as a group, we make our decisions. And here is our bills, documents, laws, and so on. And these rails here are what we use as transportation. It will transport us throughout the society. Just over here are some of our houses. This one belongs to the architect, or me, and this one belongs to our farmer, Simra. This is our wishing well, and over here are some more houses. This here is our apartment building. Here's where you will check in. Here are some of the rooms. There are 4 floors with 2 rooms. And just behind our grocery store is our pool. You may go at any time for as long as you would like. Here is our grocery store named Save More. You may choose any item that you may like, and as represented by these item frames will be what you may choose. Once you've chosen an item, you may come over here to the register. So once again, just pay. This beacon here will signal anyone around to be happily greeted. This here is our hospital. Here you may make as many wishes as you may like at our fountain. Over here you may be assisted by our villager. Here are some of the hospital rooms. Just over here is our church, named St. Block's Church. Inside you may see some of the mosaics, and here is our seating. Just over here is our quarry where we get our items. Here we will get iron ore, diamond ore, gold ore, and so on. Over here is our graveyard. This house here belongs to our engineer, Juan Miguel. As you can see, it contains his personal items. Here is our bank. Here you may deposit money or do what you may need to do. Here is our vault. Here's where we store all of our money. Our dollars, diamonds, and our iron nuggets. Just over here is our school. Here are the students' lockers. Here is our English class. And just over here is our science class. And right upstairs is our history class with the world map. And right over here is math class with the chalkboard having examples. Just around the corner is where the students go to break. They may chat, they may be with their friends. And right over here is our trampoline park. Right here, kids can enjoy themselves by jumping around, bouncing, as long as they may like. And up here will be parents taking care of their children, making sure they're okay. And over here, this bridge will lead you to our restaurant. Here, you may ask for any food and you will be served as you ask. Here you may sit by the river. Just over here are some more houses. Here is our farm where we grow all of our wheat. And over here is our jail. Here are some of the prisoners that we have in our jail. And just over here are the shower/bathrooms. And just right here is the warden's office. Here he may do any paperwork, and just over here is his room. Just out here is the yard. Here the prisoners may have their free time, sit around, or play baseball. And just upstairs is the cafeteria. Here, the prisoners may eat and then the trash will pass by and they may dispose of whatever they have left behind. Over here is the miscellaneous food, the cooked food, the crops, and the beverages, as I may show you right now. All the waters, the milks, and the orange juice. here contains carrots, golden apples, melons, glycerin melons. Just over here is cooked chicken, cooked pork chop, cooked beef, cooked mutton, cooked fish, and cooked salmon. And over here, bread, mushroom stew, rabbit stew, cake, baked potato, cookies, pumpkin pie, with some cake if you may like. In that, I hope you enjoyed my society.